Have you ever felt trapped in your own thoughts and emotions? Those invisible boundaries often make us fall into fear and self-doubt. The real obstacle is not the external environment, but the bondage of our heart. When we decide to no longer be framed by these restrictions, the inner power will bloom like a lotus, bringing profound transformation and relief. The challenges of life seem difficult, but in fact they are opportunities for inner awakening. True power comes from inner awakening and self-awareness, not from external achievements or material possessions. Our potential is like the sun covered. As long as those inner obstacles are removed, the light will reappear. In this process, challenges are inevitable, but these challenges are not to hit us, but to let us discover our strength. When we are freed from fear and anxiety, we can truly control our own destiny. Fear is often the biggest enemy in our hearts. Fear does not come from the outside, but from the inner ignorance and persistence. When we fall into self-doubt, it is these fears that lock our potential. However, through wisdom and awareness, we can gradually break these shackles of fear and discover the infinite power in our hearts. Every time you choose to face fear instead of avoiding it, you are moving towards true freedom and strength. Everyone has self-limiting boundaries deep in their hearts, which may come from past traumas, other people's evaluations, or our doubts about ourselves. No matter what kind of difficulties you have experienced in the past, you still have the ability to break through these obstacles and regain your inner freedom. As long as you are no longer limited by the shadow of the past, every step in the future will be full of infinite possibilities. Transformation often comes from the deepest part of the challenge. When facing seemingly insurmountable difficulties, it is actually the moment when the inner strength is stimulated. Every time we face difficulties, it is an opportunity for our inner growth and transformation. As long as you accept these challenges and constantly improve your self-awareness, you will find that the boundaries that once trapped you are only a part of the growth process. Only by breaking these boundaries and welcoming the inner transformation can we truly regain our strength. Inner doubts are often the fundamental reason why we are held back. Doubt is not insolvable, but transformed through wisdom and compassion. When you feel self-doubt, you might as well calm down and think deeply about the source of these doubts. It will be found that these ideas are not absolute truths, but limitations that can be questioned and surpassed. Embracing inner compassion and wisdom will be able to break these shackles of doubt and regain confidence and strength.